How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your profile picture you see there. Now, you will be led to your profile, so tap on your profile picture again, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Choose Profile Picture option. Further, go ahead and choose a new picture from your camera roll for your profile picture, and then go ahead and add in the captions and restyle or edit the picture if necessary. You can then tap on the Share Your Update to Feed option and uncheck the checkbox for Share Your Update to Feed option, and once unchecked, tap on the Save button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this your profile picture will be changed and no one will be notified. So this is how you can change profile picture without notifying everyone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.